So this is my new method of organizing my work. So what I've done here is I've gotten some magnetized little tiny whiteboards that can go up here and be color-coded based on what type of job is going on, how long it's going to take, and kind of what kind of work is involved. And so, you know, we have here the quick jobs, things like quick setups that can go out the door in a few hours, things that are very simple to do and don't require a whole lot of time, but they do require cure time for finish or for glue, stuff that's going to require a lot of hands-on time. So this is like stuff that would take me like a whole day to work on. And then long-term stuff. This is stuff that's like got so many things wrong with it that it's just basically going to be in here for a while. And just have little things done to it, you know, as I can. And the advantage to this over this, which is my old method, is that as opposed to this, which like I've got to go in and I've got to dry erase everything off, I've got to put everything back on, stuff gets scrambled around, you know, there's very little in the way of keeping track of dates or something. This over here, I can mark everything down with the date, with the type of job it is, with the due date, if it has one, and the name of the client. But it means that I can also put these down in the order that they were received in the queue. Now, the cool thing is that after you know, something makes its way to the bottom of the queue, or the top of the queue rather, I can take out these little white whiteboards and I can break that job down into its little sub jobs and kind of just look at it on the board here to see what needs to be done. And this is like right over across from my workbench so that I can just like lay eyes on it like while I'm working. So I can go, okay, that needs to come up next. Oh, I can do this job while this one is curing, or, you know, something like that. So, you know, and as these get done, you know, the jobs just get pushed down. So, you know, this is a continually cycling thing that the same information is kept on. And so I don't have to go in and like, you know, rewrite a whole bunch of stuff on a whiteboard. So I think that this is pretty nifty. These things were so cheap. I think it was like, I don't know, $1, like $16 or something like that for like all of these. Yeah, I think this is going to work really well. The only issue that I can see as potential here is that they are dry erase, and so like, you know, I could go in here and I could accidentally erase something on here while getting something out of the cabinet here, but we'll see how that goes. I think that if I'm careful about it, that it'll be fine.